After successfully completing the app run, now we are ready to export the results. To export the file, open the completed app run. Verify that the processed files and results are available in the application. Now, click on the Export Results option. Select the export format, Excel or CSV. Choose the destination, whether you want to download it locally or save it to your external drive. And it's done. The exported results can then be used for AI hub deployments, downstream integrations, or any custom solution workflow.